Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your Willful activity tracker with the VeryFit app. First, download and install the VeryFit app on your phone. So go to playstore or App Store and type VeryFit in the search box. Then tap Install. It will take a few seconds for the app to be installed. Once installed, open the app. Allow the app to access photos, media and files on your device. Now tap on Start to Use. Tick the box to agree on the software usage agreement and policy. Then tap I agree. Allow the app to access your device's location. Now tap Allow for the Bluetooth on your phone to turn on, and the app will start searching for your watch. Your watch will now appear in the list. Select it, and your watch will start pairing with your phone. Now tap Finish. Now select your country. Select your gender, date of birth, height, and weight. Then tap Next. You can now register your account. I will select Later. You can now set a goal. For example, I will set my daily steps goal to 15,000 steps. You can also select Message Notification to receive notifications from your social media apps. To do this, you will need to enable notification access. You can also enable Call Reminder. If you enable this option, you will be able to receive notifications when you receive a call on your phone. Now tap Yes. The home page will display all the stats synced with your watch, such as your steps, distance and heart rate. Now tap on Exercise. Here you can start an activity using your phone. You have running, walking, biking, hiking, among other activities. You normally don't need to start an activity from your phone as you can start it from your watch. However, if you want to track your sport route, you will need to take your phone with you and start the activity from your phone because the app relies on the GPS on your phone to track your sports route. Now tap on Device. You can now select different watch faces. Select the face you like, then tap Set as Current Watch Face. Tap on Alarm. Here you can set an alarm on your watch, so tap on the plus icon and select the time, repetition, and the alarm name. Now tap on Health. Here you can set a drinking reminder. All you need to do is enable the reminder and adjust the reminder period. For example, I will set a reminder that starts at 9 a.m. and ends at 6 p.m. with reminder intervals of 60 minutes. This means that every hour between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. I will get a reminder to drink water. You can also set a reminder to move or walk around. This is useful if you want to remind your kids to move to stay fit. Now tap on More Settings. Then tap on Training Mode. Here you can select the activities you want to display on your watch. Just press on the plus icon next to the activity you want to add. For example, I will add hiking and outdoor biking. This should cover most of the things you can do with the VeryFit app. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest tips and reviews on the latest technologies. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.